What is going on YouTube? Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do a very special unboxing of a New Balance sneaker that I have with me here in this box. Now make sure that you guys stay until the very end of the video and watch everything because we are announcing a new giveaway. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because apart from the other giveaway that we are running, this video will contain another giveaway that I will talk more about at the very end. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, hit the notification bell, click the link down below and watch until the very end of this video. I love New Balance. This is one of my favorite sneakers. This is the New Balance 990 V4. Super comfortable, super stable, right balance of cushioning, firmness, and stability. I also love the X90. This is one of my favorite sneakers to date. This is their mustard yellow X90 deconstructed model. Super cool, super nice sneaker. I also have the 580 in collaboration with Bait for the Storm Shadow sneaker. Spatters of blood all over it to give it that ninja vibe, aggressive assassin ninja vibe that Storm Shadow is all about. And of course, I have the 997s. This is the made in the USA Desert Pack 997s, and this is another fantastic sneaker. The only issue with this one is that it sells for like a little less than 10,000 pesos, which makes it a little bit expensive. Now today, we're going to add another New Balance sneaker to the collection, and this one just came out yesterday here in the Philippines. Guys, this is the New Balance 997 Sport Premium Leather Pack. Let's take it out of the box. As you guys can see, it comes in your typical New Balance box in that almost, I don't know what color this is, gray or dark blue gray kind of color. You have the New Balance logo here and you have the details of the sneaker here along the side. This is actually a size 9, so that's kind of a tip for what the giveaway will be, which I will talk about at the very end of this vlog. Now, this one sells for a little over 6,700 pesos here in the Philippines. That is roughly 110, 20, $30, $130 US if you compute it and you convert it into USD. Now, it is exclusively available over at Soul Academy. Their branch over at BGC is one of the best, but you can also check out their branches in Trinoma or even their branch over at Cebu. So as we flip it open, the first thing you see, of course, is the tissue paper that New Balance is known for. It says they're fearlessly independent since 1906. Then you get to the actual sneaker. And guys, this is an amazing looking sneaker, a super stylish looking sneaker, super comfortable sneaker, especially if you think about the price, which is just 6,700 pesos or a little over $130. What I love about this sneaker is that for its price point, it brings a lot of character and technology to the game. Let's start with the character. What I love about this sneaker is that it's not one-dimensional. It's not just one material, it's not just mesh, it's not just leather, it's not just suede. You have a mix of fantastic elements in the sneaker. So you have some sort of like plush leather material along the sides of the sneaker, as well as here at the back. You have some sort of like the suede nubuck material which stretches here at the forefoot, also here at the heel cage. And then you have, of course, mesh which rounds out the entire sneaker. That's for the top of the shoe. If you take a look at the midsole, that's where you actually see a lot of the technology that New Balance infused with the 997 model. By the way, the upper is very reminiscent of the OG 997. I'll put a picture somewhere here so you guys can quickly compare. But the great thing about this is that, again, it brings a lot of the modern cushioning technology that New Balance has been working on for the last few years. Now, there are 3 crucial technologies that you can find on the midsole. The first is the Absorb, which you can see over here is written at the heel. Absorb is actually a combination of proprietary foam that New Balance made together with like some sort of isoprene, dew point, and gauge material. Now, what is it? At the end of the day, it's actually supposed to be a better version of EVA, which gives you better cushioning and better stability. It's found here at the heel and here at the forefoot of the sneaker. Next up, we have end cap. That's the material, the white material that you guys see here at the back, all the way here until the midfoot section. End cap, at the end of the day, is actually a polyurethane shell that keeps the durability of the Adsorb or the EVA foam inside so that it gives you better I don't know, like usage and mileage, so it doesn't get beat up as fast as other foam material, which is typically just exposed. Lastly, this is tech that I was actually surprised to find. I didn't expect it on the sneaker. You have the New Balance motion control device, which is like literally labeled here at the bottom of the sneaker. Now, the motion control device of New Balance is supposed to help people with flat feet or with minimal arc on their feet for better support and stability. I have wide feet, I have flat feet. That is a mega blessing that I am happy to have with this sneaker. And in fact, a lot of New Balance sneakers, especially the 990 V4s, the one that I showed you guys earlier, is actually very wide foot and flat foot friendly. The arch support is fantastic and the cushioning is insane. That's the reason why I actually love to wear a lot of New Balance kicks all the time. So to all of my viewers who are team wide and flat feet, you guys really have to check out the shoes of New Balance, try them on. Take a few steps in them. Guys, trying sneakers is for free. So just go to a New Balance store or go to Soul Academy where they have the new 997s, this one, the one that I have in my hand, and give it a try. Now, there are 3 colorways available of the new 997 Sport Leather Premium Pack. This is by far my favorite. You have those dark, deep blues contrasted with like some sort of like brownish material here at the midsole. And then you have the beautifully made New Balance logo in suede along the sides, both the lateral and the medial side. I just love the color blocking of the shoe. If you want other colors, they also come, I think, in like dark green, military green with red for the accent and some sort of like gray color variant as well. Among the 3, my top pick would be this one, followed by the green model. So that's the first thing that I wanted to unbox for you guys. The second is a special hardbound book that was sent over by New Balance Philippines and Soul Academy. This is actually a coffee table book featuring the 997. So it has like a 997 sticker pack over here that looks really nice. I mean, take a look at that. That's the OG 997 right there. You have some sort of like poster over here by Sneaker Freaker, and then you have the book. Wow, guys, take a look at that hardbound book. It has some sort of suede material along the spine of the book. You have the 997 embossed at the top, and you have the history of the 997 as well as really nice quality photos all over the book. So if you are a New Balance fan, if you are a 990, 99X series fan, this is definitely a must-have. Which brings me to the giveaway that we have. The folks over at Soul Academy and New Balance Philippines were kind enough to donate this sneaker to be given away for you guys here on this channel. What do you need to do to be able to join the giveaway? Very simple. Number 1, you have to follow 3 Instagram accounts. My Instagram account, which is linked down below, New Balance Philippines Instagram account, which is also linked down below, and the Soul Academy Instagram account, which is also linked down below. After that, all you have to do is to actually just leave a comment down below with your Instagram handle and just say what the best thing is that you love about the New Balance 997, well, this particular shoe. And then that's it. I'll randomly draw a winner maybe next Sunday. So that's like 7 days or 8 days away from now. And the winner will get this New Balance 997 Sport Premium Leather Pack in size 9, as well as this hardbound special edition 997 book. So what are you guys waiting for? Make sure that you follow me, Soul Academy, and New Balance Philippines all on Instagram. Leave a comment down below with whatever it is that you love the most about this shoe. And don't forget to leave your Instagram handle down as well. So that's actually it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please do leave. Please don't forget to do all of those things so you can be part of the giveaway. It would kind of be sad if you don't do it. And apart from that, just as a final note, I did a video talking about my entire New Balance collection, guys. I will put a link down below somewhere here as well. If you haven't watched it yet, check it out. I do share in that video all of the New Balance sneakers that I have in my collection. Definitely a must-watch if you are a New Balance fan. That is it for now. I hope you're all having a great weekend. Peace, God bless. What's up? Boom.